Hello everyone, taking the hairs from the top and tie it like this. Tie it with the rubber band on the top as shown in the video. Now fix it by tying the hairs and then rotate it. So now after rotating it, we'll be pulling out the hairs from the sides. Now take the hairs from the sides in the small sections and join it like this from the between. So tie it like this. After that, we'll be rotating the hairs. Now follow the same step for the other side. Take a small section of the hairs, rotate it and then fix it like this together by joining the hairs on the back. Tie it like this and then we'll be fixing the hairs like this. Tie it together on the back and then you can put a hair clip on the back to fix it tightly like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides, pull it carefully and then put the hair clip. And your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a ponytail on the back like this. Make a high ponytail and divide the hairs into 3 parts. Now make the plaits on the hairs like this. So now after making the plaits, fix the hairs by folding it upward in the half section using a rubber band like this. Now take the hairs and tie it from the downside and from the bottom like this and then rotate it. Now we'll be folding the hairs upward like this and then take the hairs and then spread it like this on the sides. Now after spreading it, fix it with the hairband or the hairpins. Now fix the baby hairs on the downside using this gel and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this on the back. So tie the hairs together like this on the one side. Fix it with the rubber band. Now after that, rotate it. Now after rotating it for 2 times, we'll be again taking the hairs from the other side and join it on the left side this time. So fix the hairs on the alternative sides and then rotate it also for 2 times. Now fix it properly by taking all the hairs, divide it into 3 parts and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Fix it till the end and fix it like this. Now at the end, tie the plaits or just fix it with the rubber band like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back like this and fix it like this. Tie the hairs and then we'll be fixing the hairs like this. Now after that, rotate the hairs. Now fix it like this, pull it little bit backward and fix it on the top by tying it in the half like this. Now after that, fix the hairs properly. Now stretch it little bit and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs in the front like this, divide it and then rotate it like this. Now after that, we'll be rolling it together and then fix it on the other side as well. We'll be following the same step with the hairs. So roll them like this. So now after rolling it, we'll be taking the hairs and then fix it on the back together. Tie it. Now put the hair clip and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be dividing the hairs into 2 parts like this and then take a small section of the hairs from the sides and join it on the back. So keep taking the hairs from it and then tie it one by one. Join it carefully as we are tying here. Fix it very well like this. Fix it one by one as shown in the video. Keep tying the hairs carefully. Now after that, we'll be fixing the hairs and then tie it with the rubber band like this. Tie it with the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. We'll be showing you some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to follow our steps and follow along the videos till the end. Thanks for watching our video.